Welcome to Avondale Discovery Farm in Beverley, West Australia. This is the only micro malting machine in West Australia for the purpose of making malt for the micro brewer or for the micro malting industry. I'm now standing next to the main source of heat, which is a 200,000 BTU per hour heat source, fed by 45 kg LPG gas bottles. The heat is driven by this motor into the plenum via the duct, and so it goes into the barley. This is the articulated duct, which opens at the initial stage of malting, where a plate is then put against the opening of the duct, the opening of the plenum, and sealed off so that the whole vessel up here is filled with about 2 or 3 cubic metres of water, together with the barley, and soaked in 2 or 3 regimes over a day of soaking, draining, resting, soaking, draining, resting, and that's called the steeping process. This is the point where the barley, once made into malt, will exit. The door is opened and the spirals will be turned by the overhead mechanism and motor and turned around so that the malt gradually moves out of here into a catcher. Okay, this is a malting telemetry program to ascertain the relative humidity and temperature of the air off coming past the malt.
All over again.
Right, this sensor here measures relative humidity and temperature, and it's held for air off at the top of the malting plant, which is here. It's inserted there, and then as the progress of the drying goes on, the kilning, the relative humidity must decrease to close to 3-4% to show that the malt has reached a dry state of around less than 5% moisture. At that stage, the temperature can be, for Pilsner malt, raised to 60-65 degrees. But if we want to make a pale malt, we are kilning with an air-off temperature of 100 degrees centigrade. You're looking at the log from time 11:51 to 12:07. That they are the 15-second logs of the temperature and humidity in the malt as time goes by.
I see.